Chia seeds are one of the most popular superfoods today. They're believed to be a great source of antioxidants, minerals, and essential omega-3 fatty acids. In short, chia seeds are amazing for your health and well-being as they promote a healthy digestive system, bowel movement, and even cardiovascular health. The benefits of eating chia seeds every day are endless, and we're going to explore them in this video. Number 1. Chia seeds boosts your brain function. Chia seeds are extremely rich in nutrients that are great for your brain function. They're an excellent source of protein, iron, manganese, and omega-3 fatty acids. According to research, a daily intake of chia seeds may improve brain health and decrease the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and dementia. A clinical study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds daily for a month may help prevent depressive symptoms and improve mood. Number 2. Chia seeds promotes weight loss. Chia seeds are a rich source of fiber, which is believed to promote gut health and prevent the absorption of excess fat from the digestive system. They're also high in minerals like calcium and potassium that are essential for metabolic function. Studies have found that consuming chia seeds daily may help you lose weight by reducing your food cravings, as they have a sweet and salty taste that may appeal to your taste buds and trigger craving for healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and grains. Number 3. Chia seeds prevent colon cancer. Chia seeds are high in fiber that may help prevent cancers of the digestive system, like colon cancer. A study published in Food and Function found that consuming chia seeds daily for 12 weeks may help reduce inflammation, increase the production of butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that's anti-inflammatory, and promote healthy gut flora. Number 4. Chia seeds improve vision health. Chia seeds are a rich source of minerals like iron, zinc, copper, manganese, and calcium. Iron is believed to be extremely beneficial for your eyes as it helps in oxygen transportation in the eyes, prevents cataracts and glaucoma, and promotes eye health. Chia seeds also have high level of antioxidants such as carotenoids, vitamin C and E, that are believed to fight eye diseases and prevent vision loss. Number 5. Chia seeds prevents heart disease. Chia seeds are high in antioxidants, minerals, and protein, which may help prevent heart disease. The high fiber content in chia seeds may help in the prevention of heart disease by reducing blood cholesterol levels, lowering blood pressure, and controlling blood sugar level. A 2017 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds daily for 4 weeks may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Number 6. Chia seeds protects the skin from UV rays. Chia seeds are high in minerals and vitamins that are great for your skin. They're also high in fiber that may help prevent skin disorders like acne, eczema, and skin infections. Chia seeds contain polyphenol antioxidants that may help fight skin disorders and prevent skin damage caused by the sun. Number 7. Chia seeds helps maintain digestive health. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber that may help maintain healthy digestive system. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds daily for 6 weeks may help reduce abdominal fat and improve digestive function. Chia seeds are said to be beneficial for preventing metabolic syndrome, which is a cluster of conditions that includes increases in waist circumference, blood pressure, triglycerides, low-density lipoprotein, and glucose levels. Number 8. Chia seeds are a probiotic food. Chia seeds are a rich source of probiotics that may help promote gut health. They're also high in protein and minerals, which may help in the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that consuming chia seeds daily may help prevent obesity and reduce body fat. Number 9. Chia seeds can help support bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent non-dairy option if you're trying to build a strong skeleton. They are a good source of calcium, which is crucial for supporting bone health, as well as other minerals like phosphate, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Approximately 18% of the recommended daily allowance for calcium is found in a serving of chia seeds. Chia seeds are frequently suggested as a calcium source for vegans. Magnesium is also beneficial for your bones because it can prevent osteoporosis. This combination of calcium and magnesium is essential for strong and healthy bones. Number 10. Chia seeds helps control blood sugar levels. Fiber levels in chia seeds are high. According to studies, fiber may help to lower insulin resistance and improve blood sugar levels, which lowers your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Additionally, studies have shown that chia seed bread causes a lower blood sugar response than conventional bread, reducing the risk of high blood sugar. Want to learn more about other foods that can help you manage your blood sugar levels? Watch the video on the screen now to learn about the top 14 foods for managing diabetes and blood sugar. Don't forget to subscribe as well, if you want to see more videos like this one in the future, and if this video was helpful, click on the like button.